How to make TikTok account private to public? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok from where you can discover the various TikTok videos. So if you have got multiple TikTok accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. For that, you can tap on your profile option at the right bottom corner, and here will be the option for sign in. You can simply enter your credentials and log into your account. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your profile. So right now my profile is private, you can see at the upper section. So in order to make it public, you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner, and you have to go for settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, there is privacy option at second. Simply tap on that, and the option for private account is turned on right now. You have to simply tap on that, and you have to go for switch, and after doing that, your profile will be set to public, so anyone in TikTok will be able to see the videos that you have posted in your account. So this is how you make TikTok account private to public. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.